Here I am. I'm doing a review on some silicone liners for air fryers. I wanted them so I can cook and hopefully fast in the air fryer, and clean up as whip. They fold right up, and so you can, whatever food's in there, if they have greasy whatever, you can just dump that in your little container and get rid of it. But it says they're for a 5 to a 8 quart air fryer, but they're too big. I do not trust it. I believe it would not work. It has no way, and I didn't think of this. I bought these thinking about roasting a chicken or you know, doing my steaks. I didn't think about how it would have no air circulation up under here to help, you know, circulate the air around. I didn't think I would roast it out, you know, and then you have a nice size and it fits that way. But I still think it should be a little bit smaller, and then I'm concerned with the air circulation. It may make it to where you have to cook your food a little longer in the air fryer. Defeats the purpose of getting an air fryer to begin with if you just want to cook food faster. All in all, they do fit, but these were $15 for 2, and I don't see myself ever using them in an air fryer. So, I mean, it is what it is. Maybe in the oven it would be nice, but I don't recommend the product.
Yeah, unfortunately, these set off that alarm every time I use it. And if I use it without it, I have no problem.